Hello and welcome to Introduction to Python for Data Science. Data science is a new field of study with the aim of extracting knowledge from data. Today, it is an essential part of many industries. Python is the most popular programming language for data science. Python is high-level, flexible, and easy to learn. Python facilitates data science using specialized libraries such as NumPy and Pandas and Matplotlib and many more. If you would like to get started with Python as the programming language, learn the basics of Python programming environment, gain hands-on experience with numerical computing, get familiar with data manipulation and cleaning techniques, get familiar with data visualization, and take your first steps towards the data science journey. This course is for you. It is a beginner-friendly introduction to Python for data science. The demand for data scientist experts with Python experience is high. There are various job positions for them. In this course, after raising a series of introductory topics on data science, you will get familiar with Python essentials, Python data structures, and Python programming. We will discuss NumPy library, data manipulation with Pandas, and data visualization with Matplotlib. Eventually, you have some final tasks to help you better learn the topics. Enroll today at TechClass.com.